Wow.
What's going on?
Well, I know you made reservations, but, you know, I was thinking this could be kind of romantic.
I was wrong. I really needed you. That's why I wrote this song. You were working at the bar. I was walking over concrete stars. The piano took control of me, and that's when you took a hold of me. When I'm feeling far away, you bring me closer to home, a place I've never had, but I've always been searching for. 'Cause I remember every part, from the color of your clothes to the song I put on repeat, your perfume with my cologne.
You ready?
Maybe. This is going to be terrible, just so we're both clear on this, right?
Speak for yourself.
Cheers.